Are you tired of feeling stuck in your language teaching career with no room for growth or financial freedom?
What if I told you that there are 7 side hustles you can take to grow your income and expand how you earn money?
Not only that, but if you do well on these hustles, you can transform those into your regular job. So, get ready to discover the path to financial success and take your teaching career to new heights. Let's dive in. Financial instability is a common issue in the education sector, and many teachers struggle to make ends meet. It's no surprise that some educators have been considering changing their careers to find more stable sources of income. But for EFL teachers at least, this isn't necessarily the case. Due to the increased need for skilled language instructors, there are several opportunities that you can take advantage of and supplement your income. With the popularity of e-learning, there has never been a better moment to use your expertise and talents to establish your personal brand and draw students from all over the world. Becoming an online tutor not only allows you to reach a broader audience, but it also provides the opportunity to charge higher rates for your services. All you need to do is find the platform you like and the students will reach out to you. There are many online tutoring platforms you can join, such as Chegg and VipKid. These online tutoring websites let you establish a flexible schedule, giving you the freedom to set your own hours and earn money on your own terms. Just a quick tip: when starting out, it's best to keep your rates low until you establish a solid reputation and receive positive feedback from your first students. Once you have collected enough positive reviews, then you can consider adjusting your rates to reflect your experience and expertise. Do you want to earn money while you sleep by creating a stream of passive income? Do you love flexibility and hate being tied to a strict classroom schedule? Language learning courses on platforms such as Udemy or Teachable can be a lucrative path for you. Choose your topic, record yourself, and you're good to go. Once your courses are created and published, you can earn passive income through course sales. With the ability to sell to a global audience, the earning potential is virtually limitless. You can also offer educational resources, such as private coaching or consulting, to further monetize your course offerings. If you are interested in becoming a prominent figure in the world of language teaching and do not mind being in front of a camera, then YouTube might just be the perfect platform for you. Becoming a YouTuber can open up a world of opportunities. With the potential to attract millions of viewers, YouTubers can earn passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and product placements. Additionally, building a loyal following can lead to opportunities for public speaking engagements, book deals, and other monetization strategies. Have you ever wondered why YouTubers often ask their viewers to like and comment on their videos? This is because YouTube's algorithm is largely affected by these actions. Guess what? The same applies to this video. So, if you find this video helpful and informative, I would greatly appreciate it if you could leave a comment and a like. Not only does it help the channel out, but it also helps other teachers discover this valuable information as well. Do you have a passion for writing? Starting a personal blog can help you turn your passion into a profitable venture. All you need to do is a website to host your articles. In addition to affiliate marketing and sponsored content, bloggers can earn money through product sales such as ebooks or digital downloads. Bloggers can also leverage their writing skills to offer freelance writing services, opening up additional income streams. Alternatively, if you do not wish to commit to creating a website but you wish to get paid immediately for your work, do try Medium. Medium is the only platform on the internet right now that allows anyone to sign up, post an article, and get paid immediately. Offering your services as a language translator, or proofreader on freelance platforms such as Upwork, SmartCut, or Fiverr can also establish a steady source of revenue. You can set your own rates, choose which projects to take on, giving you complete control over your workload. This way, you can earn extra money without having to worry about learning the processes of the previous methods, such as how to use cameras as a YouTuber or how to create a website as a blogger. Do not forget the advice I shared previously. Always start with low rates at the beginning and gradually adjust as you receive more positive reviews. You don't feel or you don't have the time to create something from scratch? Have you already developed a large database of educational content? Use it. By becoming a content creator, you can monetize your existing teaching material and create a reliable income stream without much effort. You can explore different platforms for selling digital products, but the most common one and mostly used amongst teachers is the teacherspayteachers.com. There, you essentially create your digital store, assign a fair price to your material, such as lesson plans, flashcards, or quizzes, and then you sell them to other teachers who come and buy your digital products. Have you ever been told that you have a well-sounding voice? Do you like to read aloud? Then you may want to consider pursuing the path of a voice talent. If you are a native English speaker, or you have excellent pronunciation and intonation abilities, there are people out there looking for someone like you to narrate their scripts. You can work on various projects, including commercials, animated videos, and of course, e-learning courses. There are many websites where you can showcase a sample of your voice and get hired by potential clients, such as voices.com and voice123. So there you have it, 7 side hustles to earn more money as a teacher. Of course, this is just a starting point. There are many other things you can do to bring in some extra income. The key, though, is to find what works best for you and, of course, to take action.
Would you like to know another way to help grow your income? It's skills. Watch this video over here and discover how to stand out from other teachers by using the AI in the language learning classroom.